keep my word like a promise ring. Through the fire, through anything. When the world turns cold, I stay true. There ain't no road I'd walk without you. 'Cause I hold the faith, I keep it strong. Through the right and through the wrong, your love's a light that guides my way. I hold the faith, come night or day. The nights get long, the wind may blow, but your sweet voice still tells me so. No temptation can shake my ground. My heart's yours when the lights go down. 'Cause I hold the faith, I keep it strong. Through the right and through the wrong, your love's the truth I can't betray. I hold the faith, come night or day. Some men wander, lose their soul, chasing silver, losing gold. But I found more than wealth can show in the love I'll never let go. Yes, I hold the faith, I walk that line. Your heart beats right here with mine. Every mile I'll find my way. I hold the faith, come night or day. Yeah, I hold the faith. There's a stillness in the midnight air, whispering dreams we used to share. You're laying close, your hand in mine. Time stands still for a little while. The fireflies dance on the riverside. The moon's our lamp, love's our guide. No fancy lights, no need for cars, just me and you. Under the stars, under the stars, where the night runs deep, where hearts make promises they'll keep. The world fades out, the past feels far, when I'm holding you under the stars. No city noise, no restless scars, just love's soft glow under the stars. I still remember that first July, your laughter echoed through the sky. We talk about dreams and simple things like forever love and wedding rings. Now years have passed, but it feels the same. Your touch still burns, your voice my flame. If heaven's real, it can't be far, 'cause I've been there. Under the stars, under the stars, where the night runs deep, where hearts make promises they'll keep. the world fades out, the past feels far when I'm holding you under the stars. No city noise, no restless scars, just love's soft glow under the stars. Maybe one day when I'm old and gray, I'll look to heaven and softly say, Lord, if you're there, don't change where we are. Just let me find her under that star. Under the star, where time stands still. Love is gentle, love is real. The night remembers who we are. Two hearts as one under the star. Yeah, under the star. Forever under the star. Saw you standing by the jukebox light, smile so sweet it could steal the night. You caught my eye and my heart stood still. Honey, I can't fight the way I feel. If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? If I played this old guitar, would you dance so wild and free? If I told you you're the one I dream, would you laugh or would you see? If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? We could ride that old dirt road tonight, sing along to the radio light. You and me, just two souls in tune, underneath that southern moon. If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? If I whispered soft and slow, would you lean in close to me? If I told you you're my melody, would you set my spirit free? If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? I ain't trying to cross no line, just hoping you might read my sign. Girl, you got that look, I swear I'd walk through fire to meet you there. If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? If I promised love that's true, would you take a chance on me? If I told you you're my destiny, would you smile and let it be? If I said you had a beautiful heart, would you give it back to me? Well, would you, darling? There's a light that shines when you walk in the room, like the morning sun chasing off the gloom. Ain't no reason love should hide away. Let it shine, let it lead the way. So let your love flow like a river to the sea. let it wash all over me. Let your heart show, don't be afraid to dream, 'cause love's the sweetest thing I've ever seen. The world gets cold, but your touch feels warm, like a front porch light in a summer storm. Darling, life's too short to hold it in. Let that love just roll again. Yeah, let your love flow like a song in the breeze. Let it set your spirit free. Let your heart glow, let your wild side gleam, 'cause love's the fire that fuels the dream. There's a magic in the way you smile, makes the hardest road worth every mile. If you've got love, don't keep it inside. Let it pour like the rising tide. Let your love flow like a river to the sea. Let it run wild and endlessly. Let your heart know that it's all you need. Yeah, love's a truth that sets you free. So let your love flow. Yeah, let your love flow. Almost heaven, I remember fields of gold in late September, where the sunlight paints the valley white. Mama's voice I hear her calling. The evening breeze, the leaves are falling. Time stands still on that mountainside. Country road, take me home to the place where I belong, where the river hums a gentle song. Country road, take me home. City lights can't last forever. They fade out with stormy weather, but the stars back home still shine so bright. Grandpa's porch and old dog waiting. Dreams I left, they're still there waiting. I'll be there before the morning light. Country road, take me home to the place where I belong, where the meadow meets the dawn. Country road, take me home. And I hear that lonesome fiddle crying, echoes through the hills I've known. I close my eyes and see the horizon It's calling me back home. Country road, take me home to the love I've always known, where my heart forever roams. Country road, take me home. Almost heaven, take me home. Wakes up early with the roosters crow. Coffee's hot, the sun's hanging low. She's humming soft while the bacon fries. Two hearts working to get by. They don't need much, just a little land, a pickup truck, and a working hand. They're living on love, keeping it country, dancing in the dirt, ain't needing no money. The radio's playing that old George Jones. Their two hearts beating in a place called home. Yeah, living on love, keeping it country. Simple life, but it sure feels lucky. Friday night down the county fair. Boots are dusty, but they don't care. Laughing loud neath the neon sign, just holding hands, losing track of time. They've got dreams, but they don't rush. Just a little faith and a whole lot of trust. They're living on love, keeping it country. Stars above and the moonlight, honey. They don't count change, they just count stars. They've already got all they are. Years roll by like a summer rain. Wrinkles come, but the love remains. They'll still be smiling hand in hand. Two old hearts that understand. Still living on love, keeping it country. Dancing slow where the nights get sunny. Through every storm and every mile, they're still together, country style, yeah, no war. And keeping it country. Yeah, living on love and keeping it country. Baby, when I look into your eyes, I see the calm beneath the skies. You're my peace when the storm rolls in, my heart's safe harbor, my truest friend.
You take my hand, the world fades away. You make the dark turn into day. When I'm lost, you're my open sea. You bring out the best in me.
Islands in the stream, just you and me, drifting together where hearts run free. No tide too strong, no wave too high. Love's our anchor beneath the sky, holding on through every dream. We're islands in the stream.
I've been broken, I've been tried, but you're the reason I survive. Your gentle voice, it brings me home. Now I'll never sail alone.
You give me faith I can't explain. You wash away the hurt and pain. You're my song, my sweet refrain, like sunshine after rain. Islands in the stream, just you and me, drifting together where hearts run free. No tide too strong, no wave too high. Love's our anchor beneath the sky, holding on through every dream. We're islands in the stream. And when the night falls quiet and deep, your love's the ocean that rocks me to sleep.
No storm can pull us apart. You're the rhythm of my heart. Islands in the stream,
that's what we are.
sailing forever beneath the stars.
No tide too strong, no world between.
Just love that flows pure and clean.
Hold me close, don't change a thing. We're islands in the stream.
Yeah, islands in the stream.
Forever you and me. There's a picture hanging on the wall. Your smile still answers when I call. That old porch swing don't move no more since you walked out through that door. The coffee cup you used to hold still sits there, now it's grown cold. This house is quiet, but it's not enough. It's filled with the echoes of us, echoes of us in the midnight air. I still feel you, though you're not there. Every song, every dream I trust brings back the echoes of us, the love we had, the things we'd say, still whisper soft from yesterday. I can't outrun, no matter what, these sweet sad echoes of us. The radio plays our favorite tune. I close my eyes and it feels like June. Barefoot dances in the summer rain. Now those moments call my name. I tried moving on, but the past won't fade. Your ghost still walks where memories stay. And though you're gone, my heart still must live with the echoes of us, echoes of us in the wind so still. Every night I feel that chill, your voice in shadows, soft as dust. still hums the echoes of us. The laughter fades, the tears replay, but I wouldn't wish it all away. Love like ours don't turn to rust, just echoes, echoes of us. Maybe love was meant to stay in the places time can't take away. You can leave, but your heart still knows what lingers long after it goes. Echoes of us, where the moonlight falls, I still hear you through these walls. Forever's gone, but the sound still does. Keep singing echoes of us. Yeah, echoes of us. Still hearing echoes of us. I still remember that old dirt road where we carved our names before it snowed. You laughed so soft in the summer rain, said love like ours would never change. The moonlight danced on your auburn hair. We didn't have much, but we didn't care. Those simple nights, they felt so right. Now they haunt my dreams tonight. I still remember the sound of your voice, whispering my name like I had no choice. The way your hand fit right in mine, like the stars and the Tennessee skyline. Time moves on, but hearts don't mend. I still remember every now and then. You left that town for bigger dreams, while I stayed here by the old creek stream. The years rolled by, but the truth remains. I still feel your touch in the falling rain. Sometimes I drive by your mama's place. I can almost see your smiling face. And though I know you're long gone now, my heart remembers you somehow. I still remember the warmth of your eyes, shining brighter than the southern skies. The radio playing our favorite song, I still hum it when the nights get long. Love don't fade, it just pretends. Yeah, I still remember every now and then. Maybe someday our roads will meet, some old cafe on a quiet street. I'll smile and say it's been a while, but inside I'll still be that child. 'Cause I still remember the way you smiled, how it made the world stand still a while. The kind of love that never ends. Yeah, I still every now and then. I still remember every now and then.
Should have seen it in his eyes, honey, clear as day. He was never gonna love you in that kind of way. You kept chasing dreams that were slipping through your hands. Now you're wondering why it never went as planned. There's your trouble, standing right there. He's the reason you're crying, pulling your hair. You were hoping for forever, but it came undone. There's your trouble, girl, he's the one. You kept dancing in the dark, thinking love would shine, but he's laughing in the bar with a glass of wine. Now you're sitting on the porch with your heart in two, but everyone around's been telling you the truth. There's your trouble, plain as the rain. You keep running in circles, driving yourself insane. You were hoping for a story that was never begun. There's your trouble, girl, he's the one. You can cry all night, you can curse his name, but love don't stay when it ain't the same. Pack your bags, let the heartache fade. Tomorrow's sun's gonna light your way. There's your trouble, leaving in dust. He's gone for good, let him go if you must. You'll find real love when the hurting's done. There's your trouble, now you're free, my hon.
We were young and wild in a world so small, chasing sunsets, we had it all. Old dirt roads and radio songs, singing loud where our hearts belong. That old Ford truck and your faded jeans were all I needed in my sweet 16. Love was easy, the sky was wide, and every dream had room to ride. Those were the golden days, when time just slipped away. We had nothing, but somehow it felt right. Just two hearts burning in the soft moonlight. I still see your smile through the haze.
back in those golden days. Coffee steam on a Sunday morning, we'd talk about life till the day was warm. The future seemed so far from here, but we were strong, we had no fear. Now the road's grown rough and the years have flown. Got kids and bills and a place of our own. But when I close my eyes, I still find your face in the glow of those golden days. Yeah, those were the golden days when our love lit up the way. We had nothing, but somehow it felt right. Two young hearts dancing through the night. I'd give it all for one more gaze back in those golden days. We can't turn back the hands of time, but baby, you're still mine. And every night when the stars shine high, I thank the Lord for you and I, for all those golden days. They still shine through the gray. Every laugh, every tear we've cried still lives on the other side. Yeah, love don't fade, it just stays in those golden days. Those golden days, forever in our hearts, they stay. You say you care, but you don't stay long. You come around when the nights get wrong. You whisper words you don't mean to keep, then fade away while I lose sleep. You call it love, but I've been burned. Every promise made just gets turned. I've seen that game, I've had enough. Whatever that is, that ain't love. 'Cause love don't walk out when it rains, love don't hide behind the pain, love don't leave when times get tough. Honey, I know now that ain't love. If it breaks your heart just to hold on, then baby something's wrong enough. Call it what you want, but darling, that ain't love. You talk about dreams but live a lie. You say hello and then goodbye. You light me up, then turn me cold. Guess that's the story I've been told. I gave you all I could ever give, but you take more than you let me live. If love's a fire, then this ain't enough. It's just the smoke that ain't love. 'Cause love don't leave you standing still, love don't bend your broken will, love don't fade when push comes to shove. Honey, deep inside, that ain't love. If you're running scared from what's real, then maybe you've had enough. But don't look back, don't call it love, 'cause that ain't chain this way to a heart that don't wanna stay. Love should heal, not tear apart. It's more than words in the dark. 'Cause love don't walk out when it rains. Love don't hide behind the pain. If it don't lift you when it's rough, then darling, plain and tough, that ain't love. No, that ain't love. That just ain't love.
The coffee's cold, your chair's still there. Your perfume lingers in the air. The radio plays that same old song, but the feeling fades, our love is gone. I stare outside at the morning rain. Every drop just whispers your name. I reach for you, but you've moved on. Now the truth is clear, our love is gone. Our love is gone, like a flame burned out. Ain't no reason left to shout. What once was right just turned all wrong. And all that's left is this old song. Yeah, hearts still beat, but they don't belong. 'Cause darling, our love is gone. I walk the floor like I did before, hoping you might walk through that door. But dreams don't change what's come and gone, and time don't heal what's done you wrong. Your shadow lives on these old walls. Your memory echoes through these halls. I try to move, but I hang on to something dead. Our love is gone. Our love is gone, like a whisper fades, like the sunlight lost in the shade. We built a fire that burned too strong. Now the ashes tell me all along the hardest truth I've ever known is, darling, our love is gone. Maybe someday I'll smile again, but not tonight. My heart can't pretend. If I could change the past, I'd right each wrong. But time won't stop. Our love is gone. Our love is gone. No turning back. No footprints left on that old track. You took your heart, I kept mine on. But both are cold now. Our love is gone. Yeah, our love is gone. Forever gone. just kids with a hand-me-down Ford. Barefoot hearts and dreams we couldn't afford. Radio playing that old George song. You leaned on my shoulder, sang along. Dust in the air, moonlight on your face. We didn't need much, just time and grace. Every mile felt like it was love. Out there on the back road of us. Yeah, the back road of us still runs through my mind, where forever was simple and love was kind. The stars were brighter, the nights were long, and every turn had its own sweet song. We found our hearts where the world gave up, down that dusty back road of us. Your hair was glowing in the dashboard light. That smile could outshine the stars that night. We talked about dreams, about leaving town, but love like that don't ever slow down. Now years have flown, but I still see your shadow riding next to me. Every memory's a gentle hush, whispering down the back road of us. Yeah, the back road of us still calls my name. Every bend and curve still feels the same. The summer wind, the taste of dust, the way we swore that love was trust. We made our mark in the dirt and rust on that old back road of us. Maybe someday I'll find my way to where our hearts first learned to stay. I'll close my eyes and I'll feel your touch right there on the back road of us. Yeah, the back road of us still runs through time, through every song, through every line. If life's a map, then love's enough to lead me back to the back road of us. Yeah, I'll always drive that back road of us. Got the sunrise peeking through the pine, coffee strong and the world feels fine. Dogs on the porch, tail wagging free. Ain't nothing fancy, but it's all I need. Old guitar leaning on the chair, that same old tune still fills the air. Bills to pay, but I ain't beat. I count my blessings. Life is sweet. Life is sweet like honey on toast. It's the little things I love the most. A warm breeze blowing, a sky so blue, and a heart that's full cause of you. Yeah, the good Lord's kind of road still wide. I've got dreams and a truck that rides through the highs and lows, the in-between. Life is sweet, and I know what it means. neighbors wave from across the fence, talk about fishing and common sense. Kids are laughing in the summer sun, chasing fireflies when the day is done. We've had hard times, but we pulled through. Learned to smile when the skies weren't blue. Love don't fade when the storm repeats. We just hold on, 'cause life is sweet. Life is sweet like a fresh peach pie, cool wind blowing, eagles flying high, the sound of a fiddle on a Saturday night, friends and laughter feeling right. Yeah, the good Lord's kind, the road's still wide. I've got love that stands the tide through every mile and dusty street. Life is sweet, can't be beat. You don't need gold or diamond rings, just a little joy in simple things. If you got love and time to breathe, you got all you'll ever need. Life is sweet like honey on toast. It's the little things I love the most. A sunset glow and a heart that's free. That's all this world needs to be. Yeah, the good Lord's kind. I'm on my feet. Thank you, Lord, 'cause life is sweet. Yeah, life is sweet. Sure is sweet.